In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Squarespace link. Let's get started right away by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Squarespace. Once you've done that, go ahead and log into your Squarespace account. You'll want to navigate through your website and land on the specific page you have in mind to share. It could be your home page, a blog post, or maybe a product page. Whatever your intention is, make sure you're on that exact page. When you're on the right page, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You're going to find an icon that looks like an arrow. This is your doorway to activating the full preview mode. Click on that arrow, and your page should transform, showing you exactly what your visitors see when they visit your page. It's always a good idea to use this preview mode to ensure everything looks just as you expect before you share it with the world. Now, with your page in full preview mode, let's move up to the address bar of your browser. This is where you'll find the URL, the web address of your specific page. It might be helpful to think of the URL like a postal address, direct and precise, guiding people straight to the digital doorstep you want them at. Go ahead and highlight the full URL. Just click once, and it should highlight for you. With that done, right-click to bring up the menu and hit the Copy option. Alternatively, you can simply press Ctrl+C or Command+C if you're on a Mac to copy it quickly. Now that you've got your URL copied, it's time for the world to see it. Decide where you want to share this link, perhaps on your social media platforms to reach a wide audience, or maybe in a personalized email to a specific individual or group. Whatever the case, navigate to the place you want to use, whether it's a text box in an email editor or a status box on Facebook. Once you're there, you can go ahead and paste your link. You can right-click and choose Paste from the menu, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac. And just like that, your page is now ready for others to view. Remember, sharing your Squarespace link is a powerful way to gain visibility and draw traffic to your site. Before you share, double-check your page in preview mode to make sure everything looks just the way you want. This simple process opens the doors of your digital space to whoever you choose, maximizing your reach and engagement in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful for sharing your Squarespace links. See you next time.